How do you remove silent mode on your Android device? Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a very simple guide if you want to turn off the silent mode on your Android device. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So one of the things is we can press the volume up button like this and go ahead and keep pressing until you see the sounds option and select the option of sound, not vibrate or silent from the given options. Apart from that, you can swipe down from the top of your screen, and when you do, you can look out for the option go silent mute and tap on it until it changes the sound or ring. Also go to the settings of your device, and within settings we can tap on notifications or sound and vibration and look out for the option called do not disturb. Once tapped on it, you can just go over and turn it off, and that would also work out if that option is active. And also you can check physical sound mode. Some Android phones have a side switch or sound profile. You can set it to sound or ring mode and that should also work out. If you are not able to still hear the sound, then you can check out your media volume up or the Bluetooth option is off or on. But usually these are the fixes you can follow up. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.